Well, hello there, and thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you to Soledad Canyon RV Park here in Acton. Is it Acton? Acton, California. It is definitely a 1,000 Trails Park, as you can see. Isn't that a beautiful shot? Yeah, it is. As you can also see, there's a railroad tracks here, and I'll get into more of that in just a minute. But across the street looks like this. And what you're looking at here behind me now is the front gate entrance. So here's their main office here. I don't know if I'll take you through that, probably not, because I don't think there's a store there. I'm not going to take you in. There's a bunch of office space. And then they got a front gate that way. I'm going to take you through here and show you the ins and outs of this park. We'll be here about a week, here in the month of April. Anyway, come along with us, because you just entered the Coolest Life RV Park Review Edition. This is an older side of the park. This has got some cabins that you can rent. Luckily, I don't see anybody full-timer in those. But there's some spots. These are all 30 amp. There's some a few 50 amp down that way. But you can see it's the older style park, because there's gravel roads and dirt, and they're all relatively level though. Once you get in your spot, it's not half bad. Looks like they've got some storage here at the other side of this fence. It probably belongs to them too. Yep. I see a basketball court down that way, and they got a few areas like this for you to throw your trash away. I think I've seen 3 since I've been in the park, so they're selectively put them down there away from everybody, so that's good. Looks like a tennis court. Let's go check it out to see if it's been converted to pickleball yet. My guess is yes. And there's 2 basketball courts down there. Wow, they go get my ball. And we're going to go into that building there here in a minute. Yay! This was probably 2 tennis courts here at one time. Now they got 4 pickleball courts. Good move. Bad thing is it's been converted from a another court. They designed this wrong. I'm going to tell you exactly how they designed this wrong. These courts here should have been turned sideways. That way you had one court a little further back in the corner, because you don't need a lot of space outside here. As you can see, there's only 8 feet. That's basically all you need all the way around it. So that court there should have been turned sideways, pointing that way. One net should have been here, one net should have been here, and do the same over here. Then you could put one fence down in the middle. The problem with the way this set up is here, that's a whole lot of ball chase until you get to this fence. And that's one thing pickleballers hate. I know I do. Because you normally can come out here to pickleball court and use one ball. You got a court this size, someone needs to better have one in their pockets, because you don't want to be chasing them all over the place. And I am somewhat impressed with this. These are glass backboard, or polyurethane, whatever. So you got 2 half quarters, and then you got a full court. Like it. Wow, 3-point line and everything. College 3-point, but nonetheless, awesome. Lots of picnicking areas over there. Volleyball court back there. So we'll go inside here and see what this place is about. I think it said a store. As you come in this door here, there's an activities room there. You sign on to everything. Lots of stores that way. Nice. I'll go back in there and look around some. Looks like they got some activities and different warnings and restrooms and shout out to different things. I don't know what that is. Staff members. Looks like this used to be a very active bar and grill of some sort. I don't know, maybe it is different times of the year. Probably summer is my guess. Always does the lunch and break area. Huh. Looks like this used to be a pool right here. I don't know if there's one on down that way, but I'm gonna go check it out. Looks like there's an on out that way. I see right out there. Looks like that might be a putt-putt golf course. Look at the size of this room. Wow, you could have some events there. I know some RV parks would kill for a space this size. RV park I just left, our activities room was maybe half this size. All the TVs are going, the heaters are going too because it's cold outside. 62. Yeah, you need some heat. So you can sign everything out right there. They've got a regulation pool table down there. Nope, that's a little small. I guess you gotta come down here and get the balls and take them down the other end to play at the other place. Oh, this building look down. This building down the hill looks like a laundry room right there. I'm on my bicycle, so this should be a little smoother. Got restrooms. This place is probably really busy in the summer. Yeah, because they got a point of sale system there, so it's like a little shop there. Mini golf. Like it. Look at the size of that pool. Oh my gosh. That could be one of the largest pools I have seen at an RV park since I was in New York. Just outside New York, they had a big pool like this. That thing is huge. It's massive. Got to play a wet pad over there for the kids. There's a hot tub in there somewhere. Wow, what a big place. But it's Memorial Day, Labor Day kind of thing, or vice versa. Anyway, not getting in that pool today. Really wanted you to see the size of this pool I'm talking about. I mean, this is massive. You can tell it's been being worked on, but you can also tell by the rope out here that it's going to be used. So they're going to have it cleaned up, and they got about another month to get it ready. I think that's going to be plenty of time because the structure looks like it's in really good shape. There's another playground back there. That's probably a set of bathrooms. Wow. Nice pool, all I can say. Hope you can keep it clean. And that's behind the big activities building there. Well, that's kind of upsetting. Guess we're checking everything. Pool lights on, no water. It's supposed to be the one on the west side. I think they said this one was seasonal. But I like all these big palm trees. Pretty cool, huh? And that would be a laundry. Looks like they pay with those card thingies. Those are spinning like crazy. Good looking. Dryers up top, washers on bottom. Let's go look at this big room. So there's the pool out that door. Here they got TVs. And you can't push a button to turn them on. But you gotta use a remote control, but there's no remote control anywhere. So my guess is they probably set them out at a certain time. Do have a nice pool area. You also got to get the balls issued to you from someplace because they are not here. It's clean though, so it tells me someone's maintaining it. Another big TV down there. So, I need to watch Final Four this weekend. Let's go around this way here. I got a table, little sink, refill your bottles. Another table for puzzles and restrooms. Oh, let's look at the restrooms. Ah, that looks like something's locked up there. They probably lock up the pool balls and everything there. Probably a certain time they undo them. See who's in here. There's not anybody in here. I just checked. Here we go. Sink, journals. Everything's pretty clean. This is not a restroom. This is strictly a toilet, handicap toilet room. But tile work looks good. All right. Out the front door kind of looks like this. Yeah, that's a railroad track you see. They got a commuter that comes by here, so it comes by like once every hour. Luckily, it's short. It's only like about 5 cars. And that way there is toward the front gate. You can see how beautiful it is with the mountains. Still a good looking park. Ours is down that way. Did a good job with it. So this is the newer side. Let me just walk in here real quick and show you what they have here as far as hookups. This is the exact same standard hookups I have at my site. So you get your sewer right there, water right there at the spigot, and you got your regular hookups right here. Got 30 and 50. Notice there's no 110. Oh, there is, up underneath. There it is. But standard power outlets, you see these, especially the newer areas. I don't know if the older areas or that area back there, I don't know if they have those or not. But much like mine, this is a very good sized site. I parked my my trailer, my car, and my RV on the site, so not a problem. This was probably 60 feet from Indian, this particular pull through. I'm actually at a back end site. I want you to see what this is. Actually, this green area is actually a dog park area, so it's not fenced in. Don't see that very often, that's for sure. And this used to be a lake straight ahead that way, but it's a little dried up. I'm gonna risk it walking through this dog park and hopefully I don't step on some dog's business. That looks pretty dry down there. They tend to, some places like this that get dried up, they don't worry about it because they just open them up to people to ride their side-by-sides, and I'll actually see a trail down the center for the side-by-side, but it's pretty though, isn't it? I'll take a cruise over to the older side also and put that in the video. See what the other pool looks like. And they've got this playground here for the kids, a newer playground. You can tell it's not all sun bleached. There's no top over it, so it could get hot in here, but I don't know. Maybe we're high enough in elevations that that's not an issue. And this is one of their newer restrooms with showers. The place we just came from is that way. My spot is there. And I'm gonna go in here. Hopefully there's no one in here. There wasn't just a few minutes ago. I'm gonna double check. Okay, there's not. Nobody home. So I left some stuff. I got the shower there. Good looking shower. Wouldn't have a problem using this one. Someone left a belt, and so they did a really good job with all this. Cool. So this is a bridge going to another side of the park, and this is overlooking the Santa Clarita River. It's been a long time since there was any water in this river. I assure you, these trees are way, way too big. That's just not right. I was hoping to do some fishing here, actually. I actually hear some frogs. So maybe there is a stream down there somewhere. I sure don't see it. Over here, some park models. I say park models, they're really cabins is what they are. So, I may see, it's a beautiful area though, isn't it? Let's go see what else we got up here. This is pretty. It's a little further away from the railroad tracks, but this is an older side of the park. All the hookups down through here are 30 amp. And I did notice on the way in that there's several people that are here, full-timers. I say full-timers, they're here for more than a month. So what kind of service do they have around here? I think I've got one bar on my AT&T. There is no Air TV service out here. What do I care? I just recently got Starlink. I do love me some Starlink now. I've had it about 3 months. It's been working like a champ. Love it. Even had some severe weather one day, but it wasn't a problem. The Starlink was still working just great. If I can get Starlink to sponsor me or something. I'm going uphill. Pretty out here though, isn't it? There's another path there. You see some other spots here. Again, these are 30 amp spots. Way to the back of the park. There's a hiking trail up there. And then there's actually a way to get up to the top of that hill. And they've got some other spots up there. I guess I was going uphill, but I'm going downhill now. But it's a pretty park. But yeah, cell service here. Not so good. Air service, Air TVs, not good at all. We're back down the hill here. There is a bathhouse here. This is got a shower inside. Looks a lot like the other one. It's a small playground. We're going to go back across this bridge and we'll show you the other parts of the park. Here's an area here. It's just totally empty. I don't know why. Front gate's that way. That little bridge is that way. But it was kind of strange. They do have a dump station right here. Looks like it's pretty new. Potable water and everything, but it's just kind of strange there's nobody at all down there. It wouldn't be a bad place to park, especially if you wanted to be in the sun. Like today, it's like 62 out here right now, so that'd be a great day to get full sunlight. But I don't know how much power they got down there. It looks like there's no sewer. Huh, that could be why it's empty. Here's a dog park that they're putting together. They actually just had a big old hole dug out there a little bit ago. So what was going on with it? They got a dog park there. Another dog park we saw didn't have any fence around it. It was just a nice big thick grassy area though, so that was nice. Grass like that and a little thicker. Looks like there's another bathhouse. I would assume it's set up just like the other one we already saw. So I thought we would go to one of these bathhouses here. This looks like we've seen a few of these. There's like 6 on property or something like that. All right, so this is a bathhouse. Definitely one of the older ones. Doesn't look dirty. Looks like they came in here and just hosed it out earlier today. Yeah, I'd be okay taking a shower in here. I'd be wearing my my footies. Yeah, definitely. Not a bad place. Kind of like it. I'm sure it's really cool in the middle of summer when there's lots going on and things like that. But I liked it okay. You had to get away from that corner because it was pretty busy. Lots of traffic going that direction and straight ahead. So anyway, I like this area. I think we definitely got to pick of the better ends of the park, where we're at with the paved roads and all, but sites are level, power's good, Starlink works great, and I did check my my phone and I couldn't get any service at all while I was at the store down there. I do wish at least one of these pools was working, and I mean, this is off season, but the park is open. You could make this pool here and heat it maybe. Really open it up, and you sell a whole lot more people coming in here trying to use the park earlier in the season than wait until the kids get out. But I like the park. So if you're ever in the area, Acton, which is just due north. Let's see, it's south of Lansdale. Yeah, Lansdale, California, and north of LA. So you got more of these kind of sites instead of, well, a bunch of traffic. But anyway, I want you to go. Be sure to like, subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video. Send it to your friends who might be in this area. So I'm just out here living the coolest life. RV Park Review Edition.